What's up, wonderful people? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore Mountain Creek Zip Tour. Mountain Creek is a ski resort in Vernon, New Jersey. They are also known for their water park, bike park, and many more. In this video, we'll be exploring their Zip Tour, an amazing zipline experience ranging from 200 feet to 1,500 feet in length, suspended high above their mountaintop lake. Check their website for pricings and hours information. You do need to reserve your spot online and make sure to read all the requirements before visiting them. So special thank you for Mountain Creek for hosting us here today. Today we are going to check out their Zipline tour. Come and join us to explore this place. Let's go!
Let's go!
By the way, they have two sections parking area here. This is the free one. It's gonna be a little bit walk for you to walk into the entrance area. Now if you wanna get the a better parking area that close to the entrance, you have to pay $20. So Mountain Creek is not only about zipline, they also have water park. We are coming back here for the water park, so make sure to like, share, consider to subscribe to our channels so you don't miss our water park for Mountain Creek 2023. Behind me here, that's the resort, the hotels. And also if you consider to have your wedding party here, they can do that too. Check their website for more information. If you forgot your drinks, you can buy a drink here. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
I think that's the entrance right here, the zip line.
We'll stand next to the... We're good.
It's good.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so our appointment is 1 o'clock. We have like about 15 minutes to go. So let's check this area around. Alright. They do sell these Mountain Creek shirts. Oh, sweatshirt. Sweater. Small sweater here. Those. Soda is $4.50 here. Water is $3.50. Yep. So if you wanna bring your own drinks, bring your own drinks. Review. I already know we're gonna have so much fun. So it's gonna be 10 out of 10 for you guys. They have lockers here. Locker is free. Yeah, we're gonna pick that one. That's the key. Everything's here. All right. So here we are going to put our harness on.
Once we get you hooked up to the zip line and we tighten everything down, it's gonna feel nice.
We have 4 zip lines here in this Mountain Creek zipline tour. We're going to the first one. Let's go! Oh, check out all the bikes. And that's the water park entrance here. Alpine coaster, very fun. Here you go, first stop. First zip line.
So, there's that yellow line that you were talking about.
Awesome, step backwards. Turn around to the left. And then right there, little flat bar. Awesome, step back, let your feet. Have fun.
Thank you. Okay, done with the first one. What do you think?
Awesome. It's amazing.
First one is kind of like training, so it was fun already.
Yeah.
Yep, we're gonna go top on the mountain. Let's go. Wow, it's very crowded today. So all these bikers here going on top of these things, go to the mountains, and yeah, there's a awesome bike ride, and we are also going up here. First time seeing a bear in Mountain Creek, a real bear. Watch your step, good job. So we're going on the second zip lining, let's go. I think we're here, that's the second stop here. Cross the lake too, look. super fun. I give it 10 out of 10. You know, when we're passing all the trees and you start seeing the lake, then I got scary.
Huh?
Because I can tell it's like very high on top of the lake, but super fun, super fun.
Wait, are you really afraid of heights?
Yeah, a little bit. All right,
You're right.
let's go. The third one.
Get out.
Go Gabriel! Zion, your turn. Go Zion!
Matter which one. I don't discriminate.
Let's do this then.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Alright, we're going to the last one.
Hey, sit back. Top of 4, all 6 are complete.
I'm coming!
You have to hold on top then. This is cool. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Alright.
Ma'am, walk past you a little bit. I'm going to lift the back up. Pull apart from the handle.
Okay.
So which one do you like better?
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Better.
Second one is
Second
my
one is
favorite.
much better, right? Alright, so we're done for today. Out of those 4 zip lines, we like the second one's better. I guess because it's higher. It's higher and it's I think it feels like it's also longer. Or is it the same?
Yeah.
Probably it's the same. It's just higher. The 4th one is nice. 4th one, yes. Not the 4th one. Second one. Second one is nice.
Thank you.
Alright.
Strap helmets stay on the entire time. It's a very bumpy ride.
Hold it on already? I suggest you do.
Oh, mommy.
Bloody hell!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!